What's going down, y'all? It's Freaky Friday. Just want to say hello and welcome to another episode of Better Than Bad. Okay, so I feel like I've had a Ricky Bobby moment, meaning like, dude, I just got some information. It rocked my world. And it's super simple. It's like the most simple thing ever. I don't want to say I lived by it, but I've been guided by it. And I mentioned in my last episode, it's this simple. Here's the quote: "Jack of all trades, but master of none." So what that's indicating is you're good at a whole bunch of stuff, but you're not the best at anything specifically. So you say, what do I do then? So I'm good at all these different things, but I'm not the best at one thing. Well, the reality is my whole life I've been going, so I'm really good at so many different things. You give me a hula hoop, let's do it. You give me a basketball, let's do it. You give me a soccer ball, let's do it. Skateboard, snowboarding, mountain biking, breakdancing, trampolines, arts, whatever it is. I'm good at all that stuff. I was just born that way. I actually used to get beat up because of that, because y'all be doing all these things and I just pick it up and like, no problem. Y'all practice for hours, I got it in a few minutes. But then I just realized there's another section of that. There has been this missing link to that quote. The entire quote says, "Jack of all trades, master of none, but better than the master of one." Are you serious? For real? That is 100% true. I'd rather be good at a whole bunch of stuff than just the best at one thing. But dude, I don't care. I want my foot into every door. I want to unlock every key. I want to be decent at almost everything. There's things that I'm not good at all. Like, I can't think of any, but there's just stuff that I'm not good at. And as Gary Vee mentions, focus on the things that you are good at, and all those other things you're not that great at, they will eventually catch up and you will be rocking whatever it is that you practice. You get good at whatever you practice. You practice being kind, you're gonna be the most kind person. You practice being rude, you're gonna be really good at being rude. Seeing things in a different way, managing your perspectives based on external influences. Those things you'll get good at if you practice them, which is why I do what I do in the ways that I do them. So with all that said, and my mind just blown, I got inspired and I was like, I'm gonna do this thing. I had an idea. Hours later, I came up with this piece, and if you've made it this far with me, thank you so much. I'm gonna speed this process up and let me show you what it takes to design a jack of all trades, master of none rose.
Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know
that's how we do it here at the Phase 2 Photo Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. If you liked what you saw or liked what you heard, just let me know. I want to hear about it in the comments. Do me a favor while you're at it, like and subscribe. I release on Mondays and Fridays, and if you would like to be a part of an episode, all you gotta do is let me know. All my information's right down there, and I'm gonna throw a couple links to some other episodes that people have been featured on. And once again, we may not be the best, but we're definitely better than bad.